Alright guys, moment of truth. Turn the water back on. It's one on. No leak. Go on. No leak. Everything is back on running. No clog. Everything is good now. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna clean that in a few minutes. And I'm gonna clean up everything. I just want the silicone to dry, nice and dry, and then I'll come back, clean everything nice and clean, and everything should be done. Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Comment and subscribe, and let me know what you think about the video. Thank you.